Choosing the most appropriate sentence. In such questions, a short passage is given with one of the lines or the sentences in the passage missing and represented by a blank. You have to select the best out of the 5 answer choices to make the passage complete and coherent. For example, it is a commonly held belief that quality and productivity are a function of technology or a set of new equipment. No doubt these are essential, but they alone are not sufficient for bringing about improvements in productivity or quality. It has been a strange paradox of India's economic development that even though people are our most abundant resource, they have so far either been neglected or treated as liabilities rather than as assets. Part of the reason for this has been outdated labor laws, which have been a deterrent for industrialists and employers, leading them to establish capital intensive rather than labor intensive operations. The other reason has been a confrontational attitude both on part of the labor as well as the management. A change must come about in both these factors.
Now here are 5 sentences below, out of which you will have to choose the correct one, which will suit the paragraph above. The options are as given below, and the correct one is: it is the men and women behind the machines and the people who manage the technology who are critical in bringing about these improvements. This option is the correct answer, because the previous sentences talk about how just technology and machines are not enough. The second half of the paragraph talks about how people are neglected as a part of the entire process. Thus, this sentence would equally join the two halves.
Second example. Democratic societies from the earliest times have expected their governments to protect the weak against the strong. No era of good feeling can justify discharging the police force or giving up the idea of public control over concentrated private wealth. On the other hand, it is obvious that a spirit of self-denial and moderation on the part of those who hold economic power will greatly soften the demand for absolute equality. The extent to which the government must interfere with business, therefore, is not exactly measured by the extent to which the economic power is concentrated into a few hands. The required degree of government interference depends mainly on whether economic powers are oppressively used and on the necessity of keeping economic factors in a tolerable state of balance.
Now below are 5 different sentences, out of which you will have to choose the correct sentence which will be suitable for the above paragraph. The options are as given below, and the correct answer is: men are more interested in freedom and security than in equal distribution of wealth. The previous sentences in this paragraph talk about how nothing else can justify the idea of safety or freedom. The second half talks about reducing the concentration of wealth in only a few hands. Therefore, this is the sentence that equally joins the two halves.